Is your Android phone's touchscreen acting like it's on strike? You're not alone, and today, we're going to get it working again. First, let's rule out the simplest culprit: a dirty screen. Grab a clean, soft microfiber cloth and give your phone's display a thorough wipe down. Dirt, grease, and even some screen protectors can interfere with touch sensitivity. Gently clean the entire surface, paying attention to the edges. If a clean screen doesn't do the trick, it's time for a good old-fashioned restart. Press and hold your phone's power button until the power menu appears. Then tap restart. This simple act can clear temporary glitches that might be causing your touchscreen to misbehave. Still no luck? We'll dive into your phone's settings. Navigate to your device's settings menu. Look for an option like System or About Phone. The exact location can vary depending on your Android version and manufacturer. Within System, try to find Developer Options. If you don't see it, you might need to enable it. Go back to About Phone, find the build number, and tap it 7 times. Quickly, you'll see a message saying you are now a developer. Once Developer Options is enabled, go back into it, scroll down and look for a setting like Show Touches or Pointer Location. Enabling this will visually show where your touches are being registered or not registered. This can help you see if the problem is with the physical touch recognition or something else. If none of these steps have fixed your touchscreen, it's possible there's a more significant software issue. Consider if you recently installed any apps or updates that might have caused this. Sometimes a factory reset might be necessary as a last resort, but be sure to back up all your important data first. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be back to using your Android device smoothly and efficiently. Don't let an unresponsive touchscreen stop you from getting things done.